Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. Let's start with the hook. Well, that was easy. Psych, there's way more than that. That was nice. I literally glued these things on with tape. Yeah. I literally drew them on blue paper as well. Snatch the weave! I am in love with these lashes, but they gotta go. Boop. Take the contacts out too. And now I'm gonna go wash my face. And that is all. Have an amazing day, you guys. Oh, well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is?
It is time to take these off again.
Good job. You're doing great. I just know how much you love ripping off liquid latex from your skin, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Can I pull the teeth out, though? I don't think so.
Can I?
Nice. Do you want to just, like, rip off the smile at the same time?
I need to.
Okay, ready to scream in 3, 2, 1. I can't. I just look stuck. You got it. Do you need help? No. Think of it like waxing. It's just skincare.
No, it's not.
3, 2, 1. Ah! You got it. Good job. High five. Nice. All right, we still have some pieces left. Ah! Fast.
Ah.
Nice. And we just know how much you guys love nightmare fuel. And just like that, we are mostly clean. We still need to go shower. But have a good day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, the lighting's really bright. Hello? But yes, it is time to take this off again. Originally, this look was supposed to be like a scary side and a pretty side, but slowly it turned into like heat miser and snow miser, and I don't know how that happened. I better not see any comments about it or I will cry. But now it's time to start learning how to speak Valeria, yes. Contacts. Now that I can actually see myself, it doesn't look that bad. I'm just always so hard on myself for no reason. Anyways, I put thread in my hair to like expand the thread. I once again feel like a shoe. A really pretty shoe. Ow. Let's get this over with. Oh no. The gemstones just flew everywhere. Let's do that again. Oh, they just fell. I know you guys need your nightmare fuel. And I forgot to film the last part, but I'm not clean, but I have a different makeup on now.
Get unready with me, botched Barbie edition. First, I'm gonna take off these lashes. I literally don't even know where to start. I'm gonna try and start peeling off this liquid latex. Oh my god. What is going on? Ow. Okay guys, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. Oh my god, why does it kind of look like bacon? Now I'm gonna just try and start wiping things and see what comes off. I just spilled makeup remover all over me. Are you kidding? Love that for me. I look great. I'm gonna go wash the remnants off of my face. Now I'm back to my natural state.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. This is a look from my 7 Deadly Sins series. This is greed, as you can tell. I'm gonna start by taking my contacts off because I can't see. Much better. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. That was easy. Nice. And that's all? Just kidding, we got this one too. Oh. Okay, good enough. I've been obsessed with this cleanser, so I'm gonna go wash my face real quick. Eyebrows who? The full tutorial for this look will be in the link in my bio. Have a great day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? 'Tis time to take this off again. This is Taurus, and she got her horns ripped off. Snatch the weave. As much as I like this, it needs to go. This baby one too. And now for the latex. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. I'm really bad at this. I swear, every time I wear a black wig, it makes me want to dye my hair black. Ooh, almost forgot the falsies. Boop. These contacts make me look so evil, but I need to take them out. And just like that, I'm back to my normal self. Have an amazing day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me, snowman edition. Gotta get this scarf off and this hat, the wig. All right, let's get this nose off. Look at this. Do we think this is gonna rip my eyebrows off? A little more on my nose. I'm gonna try and wipe it. This is not coming off my nose. I'm gonna go shower.
I can't take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't. Take it off. I can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't.
Well, hey, what's up, you little streaks? See what I did there? Cause it sounds similar to freaks, but it's straight. Never mind. But you already know it. It is time to take this off again. Whenever I make signs like these, I always have to write it backwards because TikTok mirrors everything. And writing backwards isn't easy. But now that that's done, let's just, continue taking things off. All right, time for you to go leave my face. Now this one. I really like the third eye, but I need to take it off too. It's literally almost identical to my actual eye color. It's so weird. I'm not even gonna try to take this off. I'm just gonna go shower and I'll be right back. I have showered and I am now clean, and you guys have an amazing day. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Y'all already know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. Snatch that weave, baby. Ow, my earring fell off. I'm gonna go take my contacts off because I can't see. I can see now. Although this makeup is painted on except for the horn, so let's do that. So easy. Bye-bye. Oh, and I almost forgot the teeth. That's nice. Nice. Let's take my eyelashes off too. Wow. I swear to God, I don't look the same with no eyelashes on. Who is this? I'm just playing. I know I still look good. I'm gonna go wash all this off. I'll be right back. Much better. If you didn't know, this makeup is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 deadly sins, yeah. The full tutorial will be in the link in my profile in case you guys want to know what products I used. Have a great day, y'all. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know what time it is? It is time to take this off again. This is the second part to my Zodiac series, and this is Sagittarius. Did I say that right? I did not say that right. Anyways, time for the good stuff. Oh, that didn't go as expected. Let's do that again. Okay, better. There we go. Nice. There we go. And the last one. Oh, that one's in my hair. But I do be like that sometimes. I got this though. Come on. It's out. Gotta take the rest of this off. And that is all. And as always, the tutorial and all the products I used will be in my YouTube. Have a great day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Time for the good stuff. Okay. Ooh. I wanted to take it off all in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, kinda. This was my second attempt at doing the lust look because the first time I did it, I did not like it. I am pretty happy with this one though. I need to go wash my face. I'll be right back. So much better. The full tutorial for that look, as well as the products I used, will be in the link in my profile. And as always, have an amazing day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? 'Tis time to take this off again. This is Taurus, and she got her horns ripped off. Snatch the weave. As much as I like this, it needs to go. this baby one too. And now for the latex. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. I'm really bad at this. I swear, every time I wear a black wig, it makes me want to dye my hair black. Ooh, almost forgot the falsies. Boop. These contacts make me look so evil, but I need to take them out. And just like that, I'm back to my normal self. Have an amazing day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, baby, it's time to take this off again. I haven't done anything with latex for so long, it feels weird. Oh boy. A nice long one here. Come on! Oh, there we go. I was trying so hard to not get this into my eyebrows. Nice. Oh. But that's not it. We got these ones too. Ah! Boom. That's it. Now I need to go wash my face. All clean now. I will be posting a tutorial for this look on my YouTube, so feel free to check it out. Have a great day, you guys! Hey, what's up, you little freaks? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Now for the fun stuff. Ah. Whoop. This took way too long to put on. God, how do I take this off? Come on. I don't think there's a satisfying way for me to take these things off. Like, They're all off. I'm gonna go wash my face now. Damn, who is she? This look is a part of my 7 Deadly Sins series, and this was Pride. I have no idea why everyone keeps commenting the anime. I have never watched the anime. I don't know what it is. The sins are from the Bible. But either way, the full tutorial will be on my YouTube. Have a great day, you guys.
Get unready with me, special effects makeup. This is about to hurt so bad. It looks so weird. Let's get these contacts out. There we go. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. This is the third part to my Zodiac series, and this is Aquarius. I was going for a bit of that drowned mermaid look with all the barnacles on my face. Hope you like it. But I can't stay on my face for that long, so we gotta take it off. Bye-bye, barnacle boy. Ooh. Damn, my skin is red. Ooh. Who's this? Not me. Ooh. Bye-bye. Like that. The saddest part is always taking the lashes off, though. No more contacts. Gotta clean my face. My eyes are stained blue. Oh well, let's take the hair out. Wow, my hair is not purple anymore. Just kidding, it's purple. And that's it. And as always, I will post the tutorial and all the products I used on my YouTube. Have a great day, you guys.
Get unready with me, Christmas tree edition. Take the star out of my hair. Gotta take these ornaments off. Watch this. We're gonna try using these. Oh. It smells like so many chemicals in here. The most painful for last. Get these lashes off. Thanks for watching.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. I'm honestly surprised I can still talk. I should probably talk a little quieter, huh? My constant desire to scream is preventing me from posting good ASMR. Anyways, let's take her off. Only one way to go. Oh my god. I ruined my lashes for this. It was all worth it though. Gotta take the rest of this off and it better not stain my face. I took a shower and my skin isn't stained. I am cold though. If you're curious about what products I use, go ahead and check out my YouTube channel. Have an amazing day, you guys.